So it's your girl Jada back with it, you feel me? And today I have an unboxing, I guess a kind of review and an installation. That's the main part of this ZELENA What Lace wig by Sensational. And I ain't gotta tell y'all, like, this is my second one by them, and this is blonde, my other one is black. And I'm in love. Like, I will continue, and I don't expect to ever be disappointed. But this wig, I ordered it from Amazon. It was 50, went insert what it was somewhere, and it took only 2 days to come because we got Prime, period. It smelled like a synthetic wig, didn't have like an unbearable smell, and then pretty much the smell was gone once I added all my products. I was recording for TikTok and I did not finish, but I'm going to finish when I reinstall the wig in the clip. But yes, we were using the EBIN spray. I want to use the black can this time just to try it out, and we're of course going to use the red can. And I wanted to try this red lace tint by Kiss, and actually it was really good. The only reason I got it is because they had the actual swatches in the store, because I bought one by EBIN and it was too dark. It had my scalp looking dusty, but this was actually really good, and it says it washes out when you wash the hair. That's the only thing I wish it was like permanent. That's what I liked about the Sally Hansen airbrush legs. It was kind of permanent. I didn't have to redo it. Now I just showed y'all a second ago, the hairline is pre-plucked and it's actually really good. And if I didn't have such a low hairline, it might actually work out for me. But because my hairline is low, I have to just pluck it a little bit more. I didn't actually have to pluck it that much. I did each side and I went over it maybe 2 to 3 times. I did random plucking. I have stopped parting the hair and plucking because that just causes you to bald it, and you're just able to see it better when you just do it random. I think it just looks better. All right, let's get into this EBIN Wonder Lace Bond Spray in the black can. It says it's 20 times the hold for the lace instead of just 10 like the red and the yellow one. I will say the formula is different in the black than the yellow one. It's not as like, and so I feel like that can give you maybe a easier and less messy application. But however, I'm gonna have to do another reinstall just to see if I feel like it gives me a stronger hold, because I did the initial install, and I will say, like, I wore makeup and stuff, and like didn't wear a bonnet one night, so like the edges of my lace, like I said, I feel like I just didn't use enough as well, were coming up, and I used the red one to lay it back down, but then later when I used the black one, I feel like it's definitely stickier than the red one. But I have to see again if I feel like there's a significant difference between the black one and the yellow one as far as like longevity. Anyways, y'all can just watch me install the wig, and I just want to get real candid about where I've been. I mean, like, you probably know this, but it's okay because I just haven't been posting that much. But I'm about to get back into it. I promise you that I'm about to get back into it. I want to get more active on TikTok, and I feel like I said this in this last video when I did a candid talk voiceover. But I did have to take a class because I'm about to go back to school and get my master's just for speaking it into existence. So I had a class to take for a prerequisite for that. So I just finished that. It was like a month. So you know what they be doing on month-long classes. They be packing in work. Plus I was working pretty much full-time at my new job where I have a lot more responsibility than I used to have. On top of that, your girl like just recently became independent and got her first apartment. I haven't even been in this apartment 6 months, y'all, so I'm really still trying to break it in and just get used to this lifestyle. So it's just been a lot. I'm just trying to get back into my groove of things, but I have missed it. I've missed being like creative. I really get satisfaction out of making these videos, and just when they turn out right, even just how I looked after I put on this wig, like even doing that, I haven't been able to do that as much. So we just about to get back into that, and you know, if I'm finna do something, I'm finna record it. Period. Because that's what we doing. Because I learned from YouTube, so I feel like it is my due. I gotta give my due respects and help y'all learn from me. So I feel like if I learn from somebody can learn from me. So yeah. But I was gonna have more to say. This is not like one of those full videos where I give you a detailed explanation about what I'm doing, because I have one of those on my channel, and this is really just showing you this wig, how I unboxed it, and how it ended up looking on me. So yeah, I'm gonna just let the music play, and if I think of something, I will say it. And she cute. And I just want to say this, watching this video had reminded me how much I really love this wig. Okay, so the black one that I have, which I'm gonna put like a card somewhere, definitely was giving by the same company. But this one was like the perfect length. It wasn't too long. The curl was perfect. It was soft, you know, and the blonde was giving. And I used this conditioning spray for synthetic hair, and I sprayed that on the nape of my neck, and I kept that dusted on the ends. I didn't even use it every day. I used it like every couple days. So this wig really held up. Like, I really can't wait to put it back on, actually, because I just really love how it looked. It did not tangle much at all, besides like how much a synthetic wig is gonna tangle. But every day it was very easy for me to brush it out and just go about my day. Honestly, I wore it to work. Like, I only went out that weekend, wore it up while I was at work, but I was very satisfied besides that, and I cannot wait to reinstall. So make sure you stay tuned for that and check that out on my channel. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Definitely go check out some more videos on my channel. Boo.